Hey! In this video you'll learn how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify yet. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to produce over 2 videos every single day because we want to take over the niche. So make sure you subscribe if you're new and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And you know what? I will shout you out in one of my next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool or something funny or your Instagram account, TikTok account, YouTube account down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so as you can see right now, I actually have this folder in my library called local files. And this is where if I download something, I'll have it here. So there's this music from Epidemic Sound, some voice notes, different stuff. I have videos that I have. They're not on Spotify yet. You can just search them up and find them online, but I have them locally on my Spotify account. How do I have them? Well, all you gotta do is go on this menu right here, you click this button and then you click on settings. Not on account, you click on settings. And you go down below until you find this button, local files, this category. If I remove it, you can see the local files being removed. You gotta have it on. And what this does, it finds songs from your downloads or your music. So if you add a song to downloads or your music, or you can add a source, onto whatever folder you want to have songs from, it will automatically show them. For example, let's say that I want to download some song from YouTube, and let's say that I have the rights to do it and so on. I would search on Google, YouTube, download MP3, go on the first link, type in something. Let's pretend that one of my videos is actually a song. For example, this one. I'll just copy it. Yes, a $1 trial. Just copy the link, then go here, paste it, convert it into an MP3, and then it will appear in my downloads at one point in time. But I gotta wait, and I gotta wait, and I gotta wait, and I have to wait. Okay, let me try it with another website. There are a lot of CRMs or email marketing software. For example, this video, like this. Going here, clicking this, converting. I'm waiting now, and here it is. Generate download as an MP3. Here it's nearly downloaded. It's 10 megabytes, so it's gonna take like a minute because my internet is kind of slow at this point of the day, this time of the day. Okay, so now it should appear on download. So when I go on Spotify and I go on the local files right here, I should search for this video and find it. These are different videos. Here it is. Instagram music. Right? It's actually a video, but every song works the same way. So this is how you do it. It's very, very easy. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away by the end of this video, you should definitely check one of these 2 videos out. See you next one. Bye.